So, with watching and reading, you consolidate your knowledge. There, that is not enough. One thing I have to tell you, car driving you cannot learn in a classroom. In a classroom, what you can learn maximum, what is car, what are the components in that, what are the do's, what are the don'ts, all that you learn. That is essential. Thereafter, after driving the car only, you can understand what are the problems in that. Ultimately, one day your brain is tuned up with that, then you can drive the car well. By practice and practice, you will become an expert. You can participate in races also. Okay, now here practice. We are in an application oriented domain. This is purely focusing on programming skills. That's why whatever knowledge you got, that you should practice. Now, concept wise, I have given programs. For every concept, I have given program. At the end of the concept, I have given program. So, by that, you can consolidate, you can own the concept. Thereafter, at the end of the chapter, I have given simple projects. Thereafter, at the end of the module, some projects I have given which covers all the chapters in the module. Like that, stage by stage, you can consolidate your knowledge, you can transform your knowledge into skills by practicing. So, always you follow this approach. And one more thing I have to tell you, here while teaching programs, here because of the limitation, I cannot write entire code. That's why crucial code only I write and explain. So, if you not only downloading, if you have a printout on hand while I am teaching, especially programs, you can derive 100% benefit, because it may be routine for me, but being a learner, every element is crucial for you. That's why while teaching only, if you focus on that, you can by watching the book simultaneously, then you can quickly learn programming skills. Thereafter, you can work on a computer. That point always you remember. So, always follow this RAP, watch, read and practice approach. And as far as this is concerned, already I told you, entire career sure program is divided into 12 units. Average basis, each unit is given 10 days time. 10 days time. Here, briefly I explain the structure of that. In this, what we are covering mainly, C, core Java, quantitative skills. C++, after studying this and all that, just a few days if you concentrate, then automatically you can master it. In somewhere I will explain that. Now, C is divided into 5 modules and core Java is divided into 5 modules. Quantitative skills are divided into 2 modules. Now, you may get it out. It covers around 20 chapters, it covers around 25 chapters, it covers around 35 chapters. But how can I make 2 modules and all that, you may get it. Comparatively with these things, these are very small. Within half an hour, 1 hour also, you can study that. That's why I made all the 35 concepts as 2 modules. But these are different, these are vast. So, totally 12 modules you have to study under Career Sure program. Now, it's a division is like this. Obviously, you know, every subject is divided into chapters. That chapter division is here, but for this monitoring purpose, we made out a special division. What is that? Every chapter is divided into 1 hour study units. As I explained to you already, 1 hour means it may not be exactly 60 minutes, sometimes less than 60 or sometimes more than 60. Total, if you take a module, average 1 hour only it comes. Thereafter, a set of chapters are consolidated as a module. And here unit test you write. Thereafter, once you complete set of chapters, you have to write a module test. Entire subject is composition of these modules. So, at the end of that, subject oriented certification test you write, like a C certification, Java certification, quantitative skill certification, all that test you write. In this way, it is a planned study. As I told you already, you need not study 24 hours. Quality study is required. Daily 3 sessions, between 7 to 12, one session up to 2 to 3 hours, 12 to 6, one session up to 2 3 hours, and 6 to 12 evening, then one session 2 to 3 hours. Totally 1/3 of the day, because this is a matter of career. You acquire knowledge, skills and abilities. That's why this type of study is required. One thing I am telling you, after 1 week of study, whether you like it or not, 1 week you focus. 1 week you focus. After 1 week, for the first time, you understand that how to enjoy a subject. Once you start enjoying subject, nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. You can find, if I tell you, prescribe you 8 to 9 hours working, you may work for 12 hours or 15 hours. I know that. Many students who are enjoying the subject, they report to me. Understand? So, that is why one day, within 1 week only, first week of your study, you start enjoying programming studies, and thereafter nobody can stop you. So, the first one, a career sure program, thereafter a learning management system. Two things we are providing. After this, I will tell you the virtual single window, because we have to provide many services through a virtual single window. Thereafter, ultimately, career is the ultimate thing. So, for placement purpose, we provide you a platform, Ekalavya placement platform.